So hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the vibe coding using Replit. Replit is one website which could build an app in a minute of time. Sometimes it may take, based on the prompt and requirement, it will take some time to do that. But there are plenty of platforms available like AI or Replit. Okay, so these could make the possibility of creating an application in a couple of minutes with a simple prompt. Okay, let me create a prompt and with the help of ChatGPT, and I'll upload it in the Replit and let's see how it works. Okay, so I want to create a prompt for task management system in my college or in my organization. Okay, let's say my HR in my organization for the HR roles. Let's say HR payroll. Okay, I'm going to use the prompt. For a Replit AI platform. Okay, the ChatGPT will provide a prompt, or we could even make the prompt and do what that in case if we do that. Okay, let's see. The project title has to come as payroll and objective technical requirement. Usually, since because of the ChatGPT will fetch the entire details and give to us, and we could reiterate the prompt like to give in a single paragraph or a two paragraph, which could make us to understand. Okay, let me give the prompt in a two paragraph or one paragraph, so that it will short it and give to us. Yeah, now the ChatGPT is giving create a web-based payroll system to track and approve, register and everything. Okay, let me use this prompt in the Replit AI. As I mentioned, Replit AI could be found in the website replit.com. So initially we have to create an account. So I'm just going with the Google sign in, and yeah, I'm using my ID. So the login credentials will be created. Yeah, now my website is ready. My thing is ready. Yeah, it's asking my full name. I'll do that. So there are some setup. Always every systems will ask. Let me give something. There is a platforms which is free, Replit Core and something. So now I'm going with the continue with the starter. Okay. So here will be the dashboard like this, and the page where there is a mentioning of app and design and describe your idea for integration. So now I'm going to copy the code from the ChatGPT and I'm going to use here. Okay, let me start to build my application. Let's see how the system works. Okay, every system will take some time to load our web pages, because the generative AI needs some time with the help of LLM and to do that. See, when I give the prompt, this symbol shows like my prompt is getting what. Yeah, the first stage is configured, start, run, and preview will be available here once it's done completed. Okay, let me wait for few time and how the changes and makes over it. So it is not only limited with a simple HR system. You could get a prompt from ChatGPT, and you could work on n number of applications that could be made developed in a couple of minutes. Because initially developers take a lot of time to do that, and they take 6 months or 1 year to develop a project and website and do that. So here, yeah, it started to showing like I started developing. AI is automatically responding to us. And if I want to make any changes, I could create here, I could give here as an input to make the changes over here. But as a beginner, as a user, like I don't want to change anything. I just want to experience hands-on to you how the Replit works. Right, let's see. They're mentioning the technical requirement also, SQL, Replit full stack framework and everything. Like, it takes some time. Usually it starts to build, automatically they create, and meanwhile the agents, because this website have an agent will perform the task that we give in terms of a prompt. Okay, so this Replit always used to develop a mobile app, like web app, mobile apps that could be done. Let's see how much things are going. So let us wait. That's most important for us to do that. So let's say we'll go to the chat GPT and see how different project. So give a prompt similar to the above, but for the application of event registration. Event registration in a college. The prompt will start to give the prompt for using the event things over there. So this is how we could take n number of whiteboarding concept with the help of ChatGPT. And before that, let us check how it is started developing. Okay, still it is getting whacked. It takes some more time to set up all the things. Yes, now the page is getting loaded. The Replit agent is actually building it. Since that is actually showing me a few error also, but where we could make the changes in the error. Now the changes, it is automatically named as a pay flow, and there is a sign up page. So once we sign in, so I have to give some username like admin. I have to do that. There is a password username here. I'm just using the username as admin and the password as admin123, and I'm signing in. There is an invalid credential which came. So let's say HR executive password. Let me try and use it. The password is HR123. Yeah, it's going now. So the website is created, and that's all the system works. So the dashboard, we have things and everything.